Hello everyone, my name is Chef John. Depending on the oven model that you have, it's going to come with a single point or a multi-point probe. This is going to give you accurate temperature results at all times. How this works is you're going to get measurements on 1 point or 3 points of your food, ensuring accurate results. Also, your oven will shut off once it reaches its desired temperature. My favorite thing about this is that once you open and close that, you don't lose any hot air. That means that your food's going to cook a little bit faster. With your meat probe, you're able to use true convection, convection bake, convection roast, or slow roast. To effectively use your meat probe on relatively smaller or thinner pieces of meat, ensure that you go in from the side. If utilizing a multi-point probe, ensure that the center measuring point of your probe is inserted all the way in. If you're using bigger pieces of meat, like prime rib, you're gonna have to go in from the top at an angle. Be sure to use a meat probe that is supplied with your appliance. The oven cavity should be 50 degrees Fahrenheit higher than your probe temperature. Also ensure that you do not use any temperature higher than 480 degrees Fahrenheit. To prevent the meat probe from being damaged by excessive heat, there must be a gap of at least an inch or more between the broil element and the meat probe. The meat may expand during the cooking process. Once your oven's preheated to your desired temperature and your desired cooking mode, to activate, insert the meat probe into the socket of the oven cavity. Be sure to wear oven mitts while inserting the meat probe in. Then close the appliance door. The probe icon will appear on the oven display screen. Now touch the oven cavity temperature, swipe to the left or right to select the required oven cavity temperature. Touch the symbol to apply the setting. Once a set temperature has been reached, the appliance automatically switches itself off. After using, always remove the meat probe from the oven cavity. It's very important to make sure that you're using oven mitts to unplug the meat probe. Never store it inside the oven cavity. We hope that this video helps you understand your single probe or your multi-point probe to achieve the perfect meal. Thank you.